This video shows you how to create a combo chart in Qlik, combining bars and a line view in a single visualization. This is a great way to compare a monthly measure like gross profit alongside its cumulative total over time. Open the Assets panel and go to Charts, and drag a combo chart onto the sheet. Add a dimension. In this case, we select Order Year Month. This will display our data along the x-axis grouped by month. Now add the first measure, gross profit. Then go to Number Formatting and set the format to number. Now add the second measure, accumulation of gross profit. This will show the running total as the months progress. Give it a label. Still on the accumulation measure, expand the modifier section, select accumulation from the drop-down, then set the range to full. This tells Qlik to accumulate the values across the entire date range, not just within each year. And set the number formatting to number as well. With the accumulation measure selected, go to More Properties and change the axis from secondary to primary. Note that because accumulation values are much larger than monthly values, both measures will share the same scale. Next, go to the x-axis setting in the Properties panel and uncheck Use Continuous Scale. This switches the axis from a continuous time scale to discrete monthly categories, which gives a much cleaner look when working with month-by-month data. And change the chart type to area. This is what makes the combo chart work. Gross profit displays as bars, while the accumulation displays as an area line on top. And here is the result. You have a combo chart showing gross profit as bars, and its accumulation as an area line. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.